Are you feeling the chill in the crypto market? Coldface, you're not alone. The digital asset space has been a roller coaster, and now it looks like a major player, the crypto exchange Kraken, is making some tough calls. But what's really going on behind the scenes? It's more than just a business decision. It's a story about company culture, adaptation, and the volatile nature of the crypto world. The layoffs, a tough pill to swallow. Kraken recently announced a new round of layoffs, cutting roughly 15% of its workforce, which is about 400 people. This isn't the first time they've done this. In late 2022, they laid off a whopping 30% of their staff, or 1,100 people, to weather what they called a crypto winter. Now, with a new co-CEO, Arjun Sethi, at the helm alongside Dave Ripley, the company says this move is about becoming leaner and faster and shedding organizational layers. In their blog post, they said they needed to ensure top contributors were focused on building rather than managing. It's a painful but common narrative in the tech industry. When a company grows quickly, it often adds bureaucracy that can slow things down. Kraken's unique company culture. To understand these decisions, you have to look at Kraken's culture. For a long time, it's been known for being fiercely independent and crypto first. Their values include things like crypto conviction and a globally inclusive mindset. They've also been very transparent about their libertarian-leaning principles, even releasing a company culture document that sparked a lot of conversation. This isn't your typical corporate environment. It's a place where employees are expected to be crypto enthusiasts and dogfood the products, meaning they use the products themselves every day. They've also embraced a remote-first work model, with employees in over 60 countries. This gives them a global talent pool, but it also creates unique challenges. It's a culture that values autonomy, candid communication, and a productively paranoid approach to security and market conditions. This leaner and faster ethos they're now pushing isn't just a reaction to the market, it's an extension of their core values. They're trying to get back to their startup roots. What this means for the crypto industry. These layoffs aren't happening in a vacuum. Other crypto firms like Consensus and DYDX have also announced significant cuts. This suggests a broader trend. Even as the market recovers from past downturns, companies are bracing for a more competitive and uncertain future. They're refocusing on core profitability and operational efficiency. Kraken's latest moves, including the appointment of a new co-CEO and a focus on eliminating managerial layers, show that they're adapting to a new reality. They're positioning themselves for a potential IPO, and to do that, they need to show investors they're not just a high-growth startup, but a sustainable, profitable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.